spite of, but perhaps I should say because of, a political peace settlement. Suddenly gales and high seas added their quota to the many trials of this grim winter. The West Country suffered the worst of this onslaught, notably Penzance and Newlyn, as well as other places in Cornwall and in Devon. The extensive damage done was the result of the combined operation by 80 miles an hour squalls and an exceptionally high tide. Scenes like these, repeated over a wide area, tell the story of the night when the sea came flooding in. "50 families had to leave their homes, and damage is estimated at tens of thousands of pounds. Naturally, there were fears that the disaster might be repeated at the next high tide. Happily, however, the wind abated and the danger period passed without fears being realized. Bad enough, all the same.